Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change your currency in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Shopify and then just go left of corner to settings. And when you're gonna be here, you just want to click on general, and you just want to scroll down below and you're gonna see here store currency, and you just want to change it to whatever you want, to USD, Euro, or stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it how you do it. So you just come here to gain settings, general, and you change the store currency. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.